Hello everyone and welcome to Stitching. Got it. Alright, I'll try it again. Okay. Probably in the water in the Hello everybody and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I got the intro wrong. It doesn't even matter. Alright. Hello everyone and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. Hello my lovelies and welcome to Crochet Taper. Hello my lovelies and welcome to Crochet Ted comments. 2 times. I tried it 2 times. I forgot my notebook. Hello my pretties and welcome to day 16 of Crochet-tober. Day 16, that's bananas. I was looking for day 15 and I couldn't find it, and then I figured out why. I already opened it. It's already passed. Oh, I guess I don't know, you guys may be able to see me. Hang on, I'll be back. Hello my pretties and welcome to Crochet-tober day 17. Okay, so things are a little bit different in the background. All our little gnome friends are now over in Normville because, you know, it's where they live. Our super cool gnome witch is still right there, so all is well. Oh, my thingy fell off. Well, that was fun while it lasted. Hi. Well, hello my pretties and welcome to days 20 and 21 of Crochet-tober 2021. How fun is that? Just now realized that. That kind of worked out. Okay, so anyway, if you have not been here before, there's fuzzes in the air for some reason. I'm not really sure what just happened, so I apologize for that. The sun is shining directly through here. It's little orbs all around. Have you guys ever noticed that you don't really notice how, like, many things fly through the air until it's shining right through the sunshine? Let's try to fix that so it doesn't do that the whole video, because this is... My goodness. Okay, cool. Why, hello my pretties and welcome to Crochet-tober day 23. Nope. Just kidding. Why, hello my pretties and welcome to Crochet-tober day 25. That's right, y'all. Our day 25. Hello everyone and welcome to darn it. Stitching. I feel like there's a few of these. I'm just gonna keep making a longer and longer blooper reel apparently. Tongue twisters are fun, y'all. Alright. Sorry. Oh, see. Why? Hello my lovelies and welcome to another episode of Crochet-tober. Not really an episode. Darn, that was a cool one too. Alright, shoot. Why, hello my pretties and welcome to Crochet-tober day 30. Oh, 2 more days. That's all. It's crazy. Okay. So Crochet-tober day 30. Thank you so very much for joining me on this creep-tastic day. This is not the costume that I had planned for today. Hold up. I said Boy George. This is going to be like a random at the end. It's not even going to be creepy at all. 2 seconds after I hit stop, I realized who I reminded myself of. A little bit Boy George. A little bit Corey Feldman. Let's just hope the Lydia thing all came through. Cool. Pretty, huh?
Can you zoom in? Oh, that's cool.
Did that happen over there too?
Mm-hmm.
Same time? That's wild. Oh, the lights look green.
Mm-hmm.
Spooky scary season.